What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an explosion animation. First that we're going to do is we have to load up the sprite. So let's go over to the sprite panel up here, hit new, and we're going to call this bomb. No. Let's call it explosion. Let's call it explosion. We're going to open up the file, and we're going to look for our explosion sprite. Oh, here it is, right here. Let's select that. Right now, we have our explosion sprite with the animation sprites right here. So what we have to do is we actually have to cut all these out, okay? And there's going to be 11 of them. So I'm going to cut them out, and when I'm done, you'll see the result. All right, I am now finished cutting out the sprites for our explosion. Next thing that we have to do is we actually have to make an animation for the explosion. So we go to the animation tab right here, add right here, and it's going to be -1. So what we have to do is we got to add each of these pattern lists for our animation. We'll add until we get to 11. Okay. Pattern number 1, got to put pattern number 2, pattern number 3, pattern number 4, pattern number 5, 6. Scroll down here if we can get more room to put in things. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that's it for the pattern numbers. Now, if you use your mouse pad, you can actually, or your mouse wheel, you can actually see it animate. Oh, and actually, I don't need this one right here. There we go. I made too many. So we're going to make these 2 frames per animation. Go ahead and put these in. 2 frames, 2 frames. 2 frames. Okay. Let's play it back and see how it looks. That looks pretty cool. Let's stop it and select save. Now again, we're not going to make a hitbox or hurtbox for it. It's just going to be an animation for it. Now we need to make a explosion character. So we go to character, go to new. We're going to call this character explosion. Oops. Explosion. Pattern number -1, because we're going to add our sprite, put an explosion right here. Next thing we're going to do is we have to add a script where we can tell it what to do. Go to new, keep it at 0 main task, go to control up here, put in NOP, and we're going to set that to 22 frames, because it's 22 frames animation. So we're going to go right here to frames up here, put in 22. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put in the destroy function. So after the 22 frames, the character will vanish. We're going to go to save. We're going to go to save again. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to register the explosion. We're going to go options, game settings, defaults, default explosion right here. Let's select explosion right here. Hit save. Now we're going to test our game and see what happens. Oh, nice. And yeah, we're pretty much done. We are pretty much done. In the next video, we're going to show you how to make a enemy bullet